Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear students? Hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Dear learners, welcome to my class. Like before today, I have presented in front you to take another class. I hope that you have got ready, taking your khata, pen, and textbook. Now start to enjoy my class. Dear learners, I am Mohammad Mohsin Mia, Assistant Head Teacher, Kheriyor Adorsho High School, Sharasti, Jadpur is going to conduct a class with you. Dear learners, look at the screen. What can you see in the pictures? Here, there are two pictures. I hope that you have already guessed about the pictures. Yes, both of the pictures are about physical exercise. Okay, yes. Dear learners, you know that to keep our body fit, we have to take a balanced diet. We have to sleep properly, take physical exercise, and take proper sleep. Okay, and among all of the elements, physical exercise is very important. Today, we are going to discuss with you about physical exercise, Unit 3, Lesson 6 of Class 8 English text book. Okay, everybody, open your book. After the end of the lesson, you will be able to read and understand the text, ask and answer the questions, infer the meaning of the unknown words, tell the name of indoor and outdoor games, write letter about the importance of physical exercise. Okay, dear learners, before going to our main topics, at first I would like to show you a video. Now enjoy the video and try to answer the following question. At first you enjoy the video, then you will try to answer. Here have been given. At first enjoy the video and then you will try to answer the following questions. Okay, the questions are: what have you seen in the video? Number 2, why should you take physical exercise? And last one is, how many kinds of physical exercise? Tell their name. Okay, now enjoy the video.
One,
One,
two,
two,
three,
three,
four,
four,
five,
five,
one,
one,
two,
two,
three,
three,
four,
four,
five,
five,
one,
one,
two,
two,
three,
three,
English
Four.
Chunky.
five,
five,
one,
one,
two,
two,
three,
three,
four,
four,
five,
five,
six.
six.
Up next.
Up next,
Punches.
punches.
In five.
Four,
Four.
three,
Two.
two,
One.
one.
Go.
Go.
One,
One,
two,
two,
three,
three,
four,
four,
five.
five.
Okay, dear learners, you already have enjoyed a video. Now you try to answer of the questions. Okay, I hope that you will try to answer the questions and you will show them in my next class. Okay, or you will show it to your class teachers when your school will be opened. Okay, dear learners, to keep our body fit, we have to do something, we have to eat something, and we have to follow some things. Okay, among of them, we have to eat balanced diet. Here in the screen you can see that first one is, this is vegetables or our balanced diet, proper food, and this is different types of fruits. And in the third picture you can see, in the third picture and fourth pictures, both of them they are sleeping. Okay, so to keep our body fit we have to eat balanced diet. Balanced diet, that's are vegetables, fish, curry, different types of fruits, and milk and pure water also. Okay, and another is you can see in the screen that in the first picture you can see before eating our food we have to wash our hands properly or wash our hands with soap or detergent, okay, so that the germs can be removed by washing your hands. Here the child is washing her hand before going to take her meat, okay. And in the second picture the persons there, they are taking exercise, they are walking. This is one type of physical exercise, okay. So things need to keep our body fit. We have to keep ourselves neat and clean and tidy, and we have to take physical exercise, okay. What else do we need to keep our body fit? There, physical exercise, different types of physical exercise. Dear learners, you know that there are two types of physical exercise. One is indoor physical exercise and another is outdoor physical exercise. And physical exercise is also differed according to the age and according to the person, according to the weight of the person and age of the person. Okay, here a young boy, he is taking an outdoor physical exercise, and a middle-aged person, he also taking an outdoor physical exercise. They are very tough physical exercise, but the old people who are unable to take this type of physical exercise, they need to take physical exercise staying in their home. These are indoor physical exercise, okay. Already I have discussed with you in my previous slides. There are two types of physical exercise we can take. One is outdoor, another is indoor physical exercise. This is one type of indoor physical exercise, though it is a game, but when we play this type of a game in our own home or in our own room, this is also one type of physical exercise, okay. Now I'll introduce with you with some of the indoor physical exercise. Dear learners, look at the screen. First one is, this is playing chess, and another is, this is one type of indoor physical exercise, okay. That means uplifting and downloading, uplifting the, here we can discuss about indoor physical exercise. In the first slide you can see that this is playing chess. The people, they are playing chess. Actually this is also one type of physical exercise, and this is indoor physical exercise. And another is weighting and uplifting weight. This is also indoor physical exercise. Here a young boy, he is trying to uplift the weight, okay. This is hard physical exercise. All of the persons will not be able to take this type of physical exercise. This is also needed for the young people or the strength people who are young and who are energetic. They will be able to take this type of physical exercise, okay. And now we shall discuss about outdoor physical exercise. Now look at the screen. First one is this playing kabaddi. It is our national game also, and this is walking, normal walking, okay. You can start walking in the morning after getting up early in the morning and evening or afternoon. The old people who are not able to take different types of outdoor game, they can walk normally, okay. And the young people or the children, they can play different types of game. This is also one type of physical exercise, okay. and another is this is swimming. This is very important and this is very fine and best physical exercise. Walking and swimming, these are very best physical exercise, and any kind of people can also take these types of physical exercise. Okay. Dear learners, if you take physical exercise, what will be happened, or what you will get the benefit from the physical exercise? If you take regular physical exercise, you will be fit for work. And after taking physical exercise, your body will be fit and you will get energy, and when you go to your office or any types of your work, you will get freshness and you will be fit for work. Okay, and you will also be cheerful if you take regular physical exercise. If you take regular physical exercise, your health will be fine, your health will be well, and will be free from any types of disease, and you will be energetic. So when you go to your workplace, you will feel fresh and cheerful, and it will be very important for you to take more and to do more and more work. Okay, it will keep your body fit. Dear learners, now I am going to read the passage. Actually, I shall read the passage loudly with meaning, then you will try to answer the questions. Here I have given 5 questions. Everybody look at the questions. You will try to answer the questions after reading the passage. Now listen to me, I am reading the passage. Everybody open your book or you look at the screen. Mr. Pranay Larma, the physical teacher of Purpur High School, is talking about health with students. What things are necessary for good health? He asked the students. Mr. Pranay Larma শিক্ষার্থীদেরকে জিজ্ঞাসা করলেন যে what things are necessary for good health? সুস্বাস্থ্যের জন্য আমাদের কোন কোন জিনিসগুলো প্রয়োজন? We need a lot of things, teacher said Rushad. Rushad বলে আমাদের অনেক কিছু দরকার শিক্ষক. We need healthy food, proper rest and sleep. আমাদের প্রয়োজন হচ্ছে খাবার, স্বাস্থ্যবান খাবার, সঠিক বিশ্রাম এবং সঠিকভাবে ঘুমানো প্রয়োজন. We also have to be clean and tidy. আমরা পরিষ্কার পরিচ্ছন্ন থাকতে হবে. Good, says Mr. Larma. Larma বলেন বেশ ভালো. These are things you need for good health. এই জিনিসগুলো তোমাদের সুস্বাস্থ্যের জন্য ভালো. But another things that you also need is regular physical exercise. উনি বলছেন যে আরেকটা জিনিস আছে যেগুলো তোমাদের সুস্বাস্থ্যের জন্য প্রয়োজন, সেটি হচ্ছে ফিজিক্যাল এক্সারসাইজ, মানে কি শারীরিক ব্যায়াম. What type of physical exercise can we do, teacher? Asked Riyad. Riyad শিক্ষককে জিজ্ঞাসা করলেন যে আমরা কোন ধরনের ব্যায়াম করতে পারি. Well, says Mr. Larma, there are different types of physical exercise. You can do them indoors and as well as outdoors. বিভিন্ন রকমের ফিজিক্যাল এক্সারসাইজ আছে, তার মধ্যে তোমরা ইনডোর এবং আউটডোর ফিজিক্যাল এক্সারসাইজ তোমরা গ্রহণ করতে পারো. In the house you can do some free hand exercise. তোমাদের বাড়িতে তোমরা কিছু ফ্রি হ্যান্ড এক্সারসাইজ করতে পারো. ফ্রি হ্যান্ড এক্সারসাইজ হচ্ছে ওই যে মুক্তভাবে হাত নাড়াচাড়া করা, এগুলো হচ্ছে ফ্রি হ্যান্ড এক্সারসাইজ. ওকে, হাত পা মুক্তভাবে এদিক সেদিক নাড়াচাড়া করা, শরীরের বিভিন্ন অঙ্গ প্রত্যঙ্গ নাড়াচাড়া করা, এগুলোকে বলা হয় কি ফ্রি হ্যান্ড এক্সারসাইজ. দ্যাট ইজ ইউ ক্যান স্ট্রেচ ডিফারেন্ট পার্টস অফ ইউর বডি. এই যে এখানে লেখা আছে দ্যাট ইজ, ওইগুলো হচ্ছে যে ইউ ক্যান ওইটা হচ্ছে ইউ ক্যান স্ট্রেচ ডিফারেন্ট পার্টস অফ ইউর বডি. তুমি তোমার শরীরের বিভিন্ন অংশকে তুমি প্রসারিত করতে পারো. আউটসাইড ইউ ক্যান প্লে, সুইম অর সিম্পলি ওয়াক. আর ঘরের বাইরে তোমরা খেলাধুলা করতে পারো, সাঁতার কাটতে পারো, অথবা স্বাভাবিক হাঁটতে পারো. Why do you need physical exercise, teacher? Asked Ranjan. রঞ্জন শিক্ষকের গিয়ে জিজ্ঞাসা করলেন যে আমরা কেন শারীরিক ব্যায়াম করব, কেন আমাদের শারীরিক ব্যায়াম প্রয়োজন. Well, says Mr. Larma. Larma বললেন বেশ, the benefits of physical exercise are many. Physical exercise এর উপকারিতা অনেক. The greatest of them is that it keeps fit for work. এর গুণাগুণ অনেক, তার মধ্যে the greatest, তার মধ্যে সবচেয়ে উত্তম হচ্ছে the benefits of physical exercise are many. Physical exercise এর উপকারিতা অনেক. The greatest of them, তার চেয়ে সবচেয়ে বড় যেটা সেটা হচ্ছে is that it keeps you fit for work. এটা তোমাকে কাজের জন্য ফিট করে রাখে, উপযুক্ত করে রাখে. It also gives you energy. এটা তোমাকে শক্তি দেয় and makes you strong and cheerful, এবং তোমাকে শক্তিশালী করে এবং তোমাকে প্রফুল্ল করে তোলে. It teaches you regularity and discipline also. এটা তোমাকে নিয়মানুবর্তিতা এবং তোমাকে শৃঙ্খলাবদ্ধ শেখায়. Okay, dear learners, already I have discussed with you about the passage with meaning. I think that you have understood properly the meaning of the passage. Now you try to answer the following questions. First one is, what is a physical exercise? And second one is, who is asking questions in the text? And third one is, tell the name of some indoor physical exercises. Fourth one is, tell the name of some outdoor physical exercise. And last one is, what will happen if you don't take physical exercise? Dear learners, I think that if you think only a little about the passage, you will be able to answer all of the questions properly. Okay. Dear learners, I think that you are faced with some unknown words. Now I am solving them. Now start. First one is stretching. Do you know what is the meaning of stretching? Stretching, that means মানে হাতকে যখন আমরা উপরে নিচে ডানে বামে হাত পাকে নাড়াচাড়া করি, প্রসারিত করা, এটাকে বলে কি স্ট্রেচিং, মানে প্রসারিত করা. ওকে, দ্যাট মিন্স স্প্রেড দ্য অর্গানস অফ দ্য বডি, শরীরের বিভিন্ন অঙ্গ প্রত্যঙ্গে কি করা, ছড়ানো. ওকে, নাও can you make a sentence by stretching? I think that you will be able to make a sentence. Now also writing a sentence, please look at the screen. You can stretch your organs as a simple exercise, and this is benefit. What is the meaning of benefit? After getting physical exercise, you will get benefit. Okay, the meaning of benefit is helpful, মানে উপকার, তাই না? বেনিফিট, এই যে আমরা ওইটা থেকে উপকার পাই, ওইটা থেকে উপকার পাই, বেনিফিট পাই, এটা কথা বললাম যে এটা তুমি বেনিফিট পাবে, তার মানে ঠিক উপকার পাবে, তুমি সহায়তা পাবে. ওকে, নাও ক্যান ইউ টেল মি এ সেন্টেন্স by benefit? Certainly you will able to make a sentence by the word benefit. Now also have written here. Now look at the screen. You will have benefits if you take physical exercise. And irregularity. The meaning of regularity is doing any work regularly. You go to school regularly, you do your work regularly, you take physical exercise regularly. This is irregularity. Okay, a position of regular, doing any work regularly, this is irregularity. Okay, here a sentence by regularity: the students have regularity to attend the assembly. Dear learners, already I have discussed with you about physical exercise, about the chapter of physical exercise. Here I have discussing about the text at a glance. Okay, now look at the screen. এখানে আমি তোমাদের প্যাসেজটা সম্বন্ধে যা আলোচনা করেছিলাম সেই সবটা প্যাসেজের এখানে আমি একটা গ্ল্যান্সে, তার মানে হচ্ছে এক নজরে তোমাদেরকে একটু দেখাচ্ছি. ওকে, physical exercise: moving our limbs to be fit. Indoor and outdoor physical exercise. Stretching our organs is indoor one. Playing, swimming are outdoor ones. It makes us strong and prepare for work. Keep us away from disease. Okay, these are the importance of physical exercise, benefit of physical exercise, and different types of physical exercise. Here I have discussed at a glance. Okay, Dear learners, now I'd like to ask you some questions. Though this is online class, I will not able to now ask you a question, and you will not also able to answer me the questions. But I hope that you will write down the answers and you will show your teachers when your school will be opened. Now read the questions from the screen. যে শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, আমি এখন তো তোমাদেরকে প্রশ্ন জিজ্ঞাসা করলে আর উত্তর দেওয়া সম্ভব হবে না, যেহেতু এটা রেকর্ডেড ক্লাস। তো আমি আশা করব তোমরা এই কোশ্চেনগুলোকে তোমরা এখন লিখে রাখবে। যখন তোমাদের স্কুল খুলবে তখন তোমরা সেই কোশ্চেন আনসারগুলো তোমাদের রেসপেক্টেড ক্লাস টিচার্সকে তোমরা অবশ্যই দেখাবে। ওকে, dear learners, now I am about to end of my class. Now I am giving you homework. Your homework is writing a letter. Write a letter to your younger brother informing him about the importance of physical exercise. I hope that this is very important and this is very easy for you. If you read the test again and again, you will be able to write the letter to your younger brother, giving him some suggestions about the importance of physical exercise. Okay, dear learners, now I am about to end of my class. I hope that you will try to do your work properly, and when your school will be opened, you will show your homework to your respected teachers. Up to the end, you stay home and keep yourselves well. Okay, thank you very much. See you again in the next class. Assalamu alaikum.